What is up, party people? It's Dan Hopper, your basement guitar superstar. Today we are going to be talking about this guy right here. This is the Blue Dragonfly Analog Delay from Noise Pollution Effects. Some of you may not have heard of them. It's a smaller company. A gentleman named Danny Crider runs it out of his garage. I believe he's from Virginia or North Carolina or someplace like that. But he built this circuit. It sounds really good. I was looking for a delay that wasn't digital but wasn't super subtle, and this falls right in between. I think you guys will like this. I will post a link to Danny Crider's Facebook page in here. He has done some really cool circuits so far. I know he's got a fuzz that's kind of a clone, if you will. And then he has a pedal called Zoso that he just came out with that gives you that nice, crunchy, like 70s Led Zeppelin tone on his Facebook page. You can go on there and watch videos to it. But anyway, I will post a link. So let's go down to the floor and see how this sounds. I will be playing this through a Trainer YCV40 valve amp, which is my favorite amp. And then I will be using a 2020 Epiphone Les Paul Classic in Worn Purple is the guitar, so you get an idea what this sounds like with dual humbuckers. Also, at some point, I might be pairing this with the Siren Pedals Aravata Distortion, just to give you an idea what this sounds like with distortion on it. But if I do that, I will mention it in the other video. So thank you for joining. If you like the content of this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me grow and helps get me in front of more people to be able to do more videos for you guys. So as always, thank you for watching. Let's go down to the floor and see how this sounds. Alright, party people, we are back. I've got the Noise Pollution Dragonfly set up here with the Aravata Distortion off to the side. I apologize, this area is so messy. I try and keep it as clean as possible, but it's a pretty compact space. So notice on this pedal, the in and out and the 9-volt plug-in are in the back. You got your level repeat delay, so it's a three knob circuit. We'll show you how it sounds here in just a minute. But again, I might be playing it with the Aravata Distortion. So anyway, let's see how it sounds. Let's get some clean tones going here. We'll start everything off at noon. And that's in the middle position on both the pickups. So anyway, let's tweak the level a little bit. Turn that to the side. Leave the repeat and the delay kind of the same here. Let's turn the repeat a little bit here. See there, it's pretty nice repeat. Turn the delay up a bit and the level down. Okay, now let's turn the repeat a little bit. Leave the delay there. Let's do the repeat. Let's go to this side now, see what it sounds like. So that gives you a really long delay like that. Let's try and do this. Here. Anyway, you get the idea. Let's try it with some distortion now. So we got the Aravata from Siren Pedals plugged in. Anyway, guys, you get the point. We'll end the demo here. I think I found the sweet spot with this pedal. As you can see, it's just kind of your standard analog delay, but it does have pretty good range. So let's go back up to the table and we'll talk about it. All right, party people. Well, that was the Blue Dragonfly Delay from Noise Pollution Pedals. Hopefully you guys found that review valuable. I think this sounds really, really good with distortion and by itself. It's pretty easy to dial in, so let me give you my final thoughts here. You guys know I look at pedals in terms of playability, affordability, does it pair well with other pedals, is it practical, etc. Right, so the first thing we're going to talk about, let's talk about the playability. I think this plays nice. Analog delay isn't for everybody. I wanted something that wasn't quite as subtle as most analog delays, but wasn't, in your face, delay, 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 delay. Like, you get the idea of what digital delays can be. I think this falls right in between that. So if you're looking for something in between these two, this might be something you want to pick up. These are around $160, I believe, is what I paid for this. And again, Danny Crider, the owner at Noise Pollution, has several other pedals that he does, and he can also make stuff for you too. I think this pairs well with a lot of other pedals. There's some stuff I wouldn't put it with, like I wouldn't put it with a vibrato or a tremolo at all, depending on the circuit. I have an Electro Harmonics, whatever the vibrato is. I can't remember the name. I don't know why, but this does not pair well with that circuit at all. It sounds like a convoluted mess, but that's not this pedal's fault. I think it's Electro Harmonics pedal's fault, personally. But I would give this, in terms of overall rating, I'd say I'd give this probably a 7.2 out of 10. It's a good pedal. It's fun to play. It's nice to have on the board. It pairs well with most things. The only issues I have with it, again, I know some people hate that having the stuff in the back. They prefer it be on the side. So if you have a pedal where, like the Durple here, where the stuff's on the side, and you're trying to daisy chain them together, it can be kind of a pain in the butt on your board. The graphics on this are cool. I think they're just stickers. Ease of use is great for this. I mean, it's pretty easy. You just got your 3 knobs is all. Easy to dial in depending on what sound you want. For a hobbyist or a gigging musician, I think this is a great pickup for $160, but that's just my opinion. I'll let you be the judge of it. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe. It really helps me grow the channel. It helps me be able to develop more content for you guys, and I have some great stuff coming up. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.